welcome back. Well, as you can read by the sign, we're looking at the dog park here in Hattiesburg. This is around noon, and we don't see any dogs out there right now, and that's not a bad thing because temperatures, they really warmed up today. We topped out in the mid-90s. 94 degrees was our high today, and you know, if you walk outside and it feels hot, it's only about 10 times worse for dogs because if you recall, they don't sweat, and they're a little more warmer than we are. So yeah, definitely watch out for that. Lows overnight last night in the mid to upper 60s. So overall, not too bad for our lows. Our highs, though, yeah, they're still up there, nearly 10 degrees above average. Visible satellite for today, we remain mostly clear until the clouds started to build on in from the north and from the west. And you can see there is a front just going all the way back through the state right now. This is a very, very weak front, but it's strong enough that there's a few scattered showers trying to pop up on our radar. You can see them still up to our north. A lot of this probably isn't even reaching the ground. Minimal lightning along with this. So again, just some nuisance storms not really reaching us right now and probably won't. We have a very, very slight chance going into tomorrow for some shower activity. Lows for tonight, and we'll be right near 70 degrees. Clear skies, winds out of the northwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then I'm going to show you what we're looking at as we go on throughout tonight. Again, not really seeing anything as that front kind of shifts down to the south. Again, it'll be overnight, so we're not expecting the sun to, well, the sun's not going to give it, these storms any energy to go off of. So there's just nothing really for these to kind of pick up and sustain them. So we expect those to down off over the next couple of hours and just kind of be out of our area and not really impacting us, which we would kind of like it to, because our highs for tomorrow once again will be in the lower 90s, nearly 10 degrees above average. Winds still out of the northwest, partly sunny skies, so those clouds may help us out a little bit. Still going to be very warm nonetheless. You can see where mid-levels are still relatively dry right now. That front, you can pick it up right here, just going to our north. And that's been about it. A high pressure just still sitting over our viewing area. An upper level high pressure just really suppressing any of that shower and thunderstorm activity. The good news is we're not looking at flash flooding. Of course, it seems anytime we get rain, we just get a lot of it over the past couple of months. We just want some because it's been so hot outside. And of course, jet stream, even later this week, will still be far to our north. And like we talked about yesterday, it's just really going kind of a straight line east to west. There's not much to this in terms of north to south movement. But again, some models are hinting once we get into the beginning of October, we're going to start to see things change a little bit. So we're going to start off, we're going to be warm, because we'll still be under this ridge as we start getting this the jet stream to kind of see more of these ridges and troughs. We're unfortunately going to be under the hump of this thing right now. But out to the west, we'll see some cooler air, and still the models are trying to hold on to right around the 5th to the 7th, around that time frame, getting some cooler temperatures in here, having a cold front, an actual cold front, yeah, roll on through and cool us on off, and we could see highs in the 70s. Maybe. Again, that's still a ways away right now, so a lot's going to change, but I always kind of say, hey, just watch out. This might be on its way. If it doesn't happen, then of course people go, meteorologist, you're only 50% right. We get that. So your forecast brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Here we go. The next 3 days, temperature still well above average, and they're going to remain above average on to the weekend with only a slight chance of rain on Saturday.